Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Catherine San Jose Baisa, 36 years old, married with 2 kids. My son is 17 years old. My daughter is 14 years old. I am fourth in my family. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am high school graduate, sir.
Okay. From where are you?
I live in Minante dos Cabañas City, Isabela.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have work experience in Qatar. I serve 1 elderly and 2 adult and 1 kids, 12 years old. Sir,
What are your responsibilities?
I have responsibilities in cooking, ironing, washing, cleaning, and gardening, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I check the temperature and I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsibility, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I will provide to my family needs, especially financially for my children, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my sister, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus in my work and I remind myself I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wants to play, rain, rain, go away.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
If you choose me for your helper, I promise to you, I do my best, sir.
Okay.